Hi, I'm Dave Chimura. I'm a senior R&D manager at General Mills, and today I'm here representing the packaging team at MBOLD. MBOLD is a CEO-driven coalition of Minnesota's global leading businesses, researchers, and other stakeholders working together to accelerate solutions to the most pressing challenges facing the food and agricultural sectors. Our founding members include General Mills, Target, Schwan's, Land O'Lakes, Cargill, and the many others that you can see on the slide. Our focus is on accelerating solutions to climate change and other natural resource challenges and the need to sustainably feed 10 billion people by the year 2050. One pillar of our work is reducing the environmental impact of packaging commonly used in the food industry and other flexible films used in the food and agricultural sectors. Flexible films, they are a wonderful packaging material. They're light, efficient, strong, well-engineered to protect their product. However, they have one major weakness, and that is that they have poor end-of-life options. So very little film is actually recycled in the US today. That's the challenge we'd like to address. How can we increase flexible film recycling in and around Minnesota? Through this challenge, we are looking for two things. First, we know that developing end-use markets is the key to a successful, sustainable recycling ecosystem. The people that do all the work to collect and sort the material need to have somewhere that they can sell this material. So, we need help identifying these end-use applications. These end-use markets ideally would be processed within the state of Minnesota or nearby, have potential to use significant amounts of the recycled content, and could utilize the resin types that are detailed in our pitch document. Additionally, they would have the potential to become financial sustainable businesses and stand on their own. Secondly, we are looking for potential collaborators and thought partners. We know this is not an easy or obvious challenge. So we're looking for collaborators who might have new ways to process the film into resin material that can be reused, or they maybe don't have that capability today, but are willing to explore development of manufacturing capabilities with us. And finally, maybe they can just provide us some insight on the different types of issues to inform development of this circular recycling economy for flexible films. So, thank you for the opportunity. We look forward to collaborating and hearing from you.